at the alignment at the minimum distance. Now I have on target distance 50 meters. Little bit up there of taking for checking the region. Let's go.
Quella hanno messo la porta stando gli spazi vuoti erano quelli i visitatori che hanno bloccato tutti Armacon.
Okay. High hidden target, I don't know.
Armacon?
Okay. The elevation, but the wind in a bit off direction. Let's go to ground. Let's go check in the ground. Here. Whoa. Good. Really good draw. Now the second altogether are recovering target. Okay, a bit of patience. Maybe need correction. And then good. Made a bit of correction in a left direction, but at last it's a really good result to me. Really not bad. Now I try to hit in the target in a double distance, 100 meters. Maybe I'm making a bit of correction, and I try. So now, thank you for watching my video. See you at the next.